Thought I'd start this thing up. I may be taking this one to Thornhill pretty soon, as soon as they open up. Who knows? But maybe in the next couple days I'm gonna, hey, you're not going. Get out of there. All the wiring looks horrible in here, but it's, when I quit working on it last summer, it had everything pretty much buttoned up. Barely hit it and it'll fire right up, I think. Sounds real good. I think it needs lifters tapping a little bit there. Nothing wrong with it, I just think the lifters are bad. They look bad when I put them in there. Not a big deal. That gauge is not working. It hasn't worked for a while. That green thing right there, that's the kick down. Automatic kick down. You step down on it. It feels like a 4-barrel kicking in. Even though this is fuel injected, of course. That's about it. Ready to go. I'm going to jump on it next week when it warms up just a little bit. That's it. There you go, buddy. Hey.